Hello guys, good morning. This is Suhail Khalid Pinjari. Today's date is 5th of April 2023. Today I am discuss on the topic SQL commands in SQL. So let's start. So first is the full form of SQL is structured query language. Means in this language data stored in a particular structure, means in a table, and this table also known as schema, means of our data we want to store in our database. So this is data is stored in a particular row and columns form. This is called as structured query language. So if if there was we store a data and we retrieve data, so for storing and retrieving data we want some commands. Without command we does not store or retrieve data. So SQL has mainly four languages, and these different languages have a different commands. So first we see one by one. So first one is a DDL. DDL means data definition language. Data definition language, in that we store data, and we store a data in our schemas. So in that, so some commands are available here. First one is a create command. With the help of create command we create a table, we create a schema. Second one is a rename command, and with the help of rename command we rename our schemas or our table name. So and etc commands are available in DDL. Second one is a DML. DML means data manipulation language. In a data manipulation language we perform different operations on a data manipulation in a data manipulation language with the different command. Means if we want to add some data in our schemas or in our table, at that time we use add command. And means after it, if we want to delete some data from schemas, at that time we use delete command. And if we want to get some data, so we use different commands. So third one is our data control language, DCL. In that DCL, in here we authorize permission, or we take a permission from this particular things. Means if you want to give all permissions, at that time we use grant command. And if you want to take all permissions, so we use revoke command. For example, if one employee in a company has so many permissions, he have so many permissions, and he want do something, and he has a permission. At that time he do anything, and he do something what with what he is want. So he has a permission, but after some time this employee exit the company. At that time the manager will be revoke all these permissions or all these command for all these permissions, and from him, So this is best example of grant or revoke commands. So third one is our transaction command. In our present life, our all things in that our all things we use online transaction, online banking, net banking for shopping, for eating or some another things. We mostly use online transaction. So in that online transaction we use different commands for our transaction data language, in our transaction data language. So this is all about the SQL languages. And fourth one is a constraint. This is not a SQL language, but this is a one main type of SQL command. So in that so many things are present, means private key, foreign keys, or so many things are present in constant block. So which we want to generate uh, different things. And so this is very helpful commands, and these are so many, these are main commands in SQL. So this all about brief introduction. This all about brief introduction about SQL language and SQL languages command. So thank you.